Hello, do you manually input bank statements into Busy? After watching this video, your life will get easier because Busy software allows user to import bank statements from Excel. This feature automates the manual input of bank entries, saving your time and effort while also ensuring data accuracy. Let's look at a few tips and tricks for importing bank statement from Excel into Busy. To do this, go to Administration and select Data Export Import. Then click on the bank statement. In this section, choose the Import Bank Statement option. Busy provides default formats for several banks like Axis Bank, SDFC, ICICI, and SBI. However, user can configure formats according to their own needs. Click on the Configure button to set up the format based on your bank statement. Now, let's import the SDFC bank statement in Busy. Select your bank account, choose the series for importing receipt and payment entries. And if you want the bank statement data to update automatically in the grid, select that option to yes. Otherwise, you can also copy and paste the data. Specify the path of your bank statement file in Excel. If you want to import all bank entries, set the end row to 0, and if you only want to import up to the specific row, specify that end row. Click on the Load from Excel option to update the data in the grid as per the bank statement formats. Next, you need to tag each transaction to the appropriate account. You can create new accounts by pressing F3, and this only needs to be done once. Busy will auto-sense the account in the future import. When tagging, link the transaction with the relevant accounts. If the same account is used for multiple transactions, that's possible too. After tagging the accounts for all transactions, click Save. All the bank transactions will be imported into Busy. So to check the entries, open the bank ledger report. You will see all the entries imported with a single click. So hope this feature boosts your productivity and makes your life easier. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.